My name is Saif. I am the co-founder and CEO of Fourth Partner Energy. Traditionally, India has been a power deficient country, and there's a huge pressure on that infrastructure. We are one of the largest distributed solar companies in India. We provide solutions to industrial and commercial clients, and our business model allows them to get the benefits of solar even without investing any money upfront. We put up the equipment and they pay us only for the energy which is generated. And by doing so, they're not only positively impacting the environment, but also saving their costs going right from day one without having invested a penny. So we've installed almost 1,500 rooftops with a cumulative capacity of approximately 65 megawatts, and it translates into almost 4 million trees already planted. And the near-term target in the next 4 years is to get to 1 gigawatt, which will be close to almost 100 million trees planted.